Alright, let's start with installing wait, VirtualBox, okay? So VirtualBox, search this. Alright, so right here you click the actual link of the Oracle VirtualBox right there. And then right here in the actual website, click download button, and right here click any platform you want. So mine is actually a Windows host, so click Windows host. Right, so you can save this. So it's actually, so now I'll just save this. Yes, because I already downloaded it, so I'll just download it again. Right now it's actually starting. Alright, good. Now it's already installed. And okay, so go to download folder, go to the VirtualBox 7.1.6, and just wait for the installation. Alright, now here is the actual setup wizard. Now you can click next. Read the agreement if you want. I'll just do accept because I don't want to read all of that. Click next. Yes. Yes. And next. And install. Alright, just wait a few minutes. You can actually click the VirtualBox now. Now if you're going to click this in the app of the application of Oracle VirtualBox, now it is here. Now it's right here now. Alright. Okay, so thank you for watching and goodbye.